Hey Cole, Brittany here with Vibrant Rose Digital Solutions. I wanted to say thank you for reaching out to my post the other day on Facebook, and I promised I didn't forget about you. I wanted to go ahead and make a quick video for you today, and at the end of this video, if you could possibly give me some feedback, I would greatly appreciate it. So I don't want to take up too much of your time, so let's just go ahead and get started and let's take a look at what we got. So I was looking at your Facebook page earlier, and I can see you guys definitely do some great work. And I know you were saying that you don't have a website yet, but I did want to go over if you had a website and what you should use in your website when you actually do get one. So the things I want to go over with you today with websites would be content, backlinks, and citations. So basically anything on content is going to be on your front page. So I pulled up a couple of your competitors in the area so we could just get an idea of what we're looking for. So content is going to consist of any wording, any photos, how those photos are saved, what's behind those photos. It's all a part of content on a website. Like this one here, they got a pretty decent amount of content. But with Google, they recommend that you have about 1,500 to 2,000 words, depending on the competition and the number of keywords needed. So a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. In your content, you can place keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. So with you being in construction, we're going to definitely want to focus on what services in construction that you offer, the service areas that you want to pinpoint. Those go part of your content which make your website more searchable. So the next thing I want to go over with is backlinks. Now, a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another website. These links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google then uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. So it's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most wins or people's websites pointing back at them. Now, however, not all links are created equal, so it's worth noting that you want something relevant to your industry and local websites. That's going to be what works best. So I have a little tool over here that I use to show how many backlinks a website has. So I pulled up the same competitors that I showed you. So this one, they have 1.5 thousand backlinks, and the other website has 186. So basically, we can look up what backlinks that your competitors have, and then we could try to build off of those backlinks, but the goal is then to also get you more backlinks than what your competition has. Also, this website's good for showing us how many keywords they have as well. Now, the last thing I want to go over with you is going to be citations. So a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and your address are shown exactly how your Google business profile shows it. So a citation helps you rank in the Google Map Pack. So this is extremely important for local businesses since these can generate huge amounts of revenue because these are where consumers usually go first. Citations include directories like Yelp, Angie, Expertise, the Better Business Bureau, and hundreds of others you may have heard of. Now, social media works great too. We have a very good Facebook page, so that's something we could utilize as well. Now, the idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. And the larger your online presence is, the more Google is going to trust you. And once Google sees you more often than your competitors, the more likely it is that they're going to outrank you above them. And once your content, backlinks, and citations all come together, that's when you start to outgrow your competitors. Now, I'm not sure what your current margins are, but I imagine that is something that will generate some pretty decent revenue for you. Also, there's so many keywords that we could look up and try to utilize in your website that would help generate more traffic and leads for you. So again, Cole, I wanted to say a huge thank you for reaching out, letting me do this video for you. If you do find yourself wanting more info to continue scaling as far as you want, please feel free to reach out to me and I can help you with some more information, or we can talk about your goals and I can do the research to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. So You can reach out to me anytime on Facebook. I'm going to message you over my phone number and my email as well. You can text me, call me, whatever works out for you. My door is always open. And once again, my name is Brittany, and I just appreciate you taking the time to listen to this today. Have a good one. Thanks, Cole. Bye.